Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing my desk mat that I got from the Key Company. That is the Boba Tea series desk mat to match with my matcha keycap set. Now the one I got from the series was the matcha pearl milk tea, and that is this green themed one. As you guys can see, it is very big. The exact dimensions are 900 by 400 by 3 millimeters. There's stitched edges and there's a rubber base. Now just know, because it does have a rubber bottom, that it will smell kind of bad when it gets there, but that's just to be expected with all desk mats. Now this is a desk mat and not a desk pad because these are very big. It comes in a very nice packaging all rolled up, and that packaging can be reused as a way to travel with this desk mat if you choose to do so. Now when it comes to the feel of this desk pad, just right out of the box, I felt it very smooth. It was not rough going up or down or left to right. There was no resistance, and overall it's been a very great experience just from using it. Now as you guys can see, the colors are very nice, but one thing I would have wished for is the fact that since there is a matcha keycap set right out and it's very popular, then I think they should have tried to match the colors a little bit better with the actual keycap set. So if you see, the dark green part is different from the dark green here, but the light green part is very doable when it comes to the light green part of the keycap set, and it matches very well with the yellow. But the top part of the desk mat doesn't really match the keycap sets, but honestly it still looks very nice, so that's just a very minor complaint. Another minor complaint is that on the right bottom side of this desk mat, I had a little bit of a stitching issue, and I kind of had to cut it because it was very loose and sharp. So that's why it's kind of white, which is kind of disappointing, but it's not that bad. It was very small. Overall, this desk mat is very nice. Now, like I said, this one is sold out. Just bear in mind that people have said that the renders can look a little bit different from the desk mat for the other variants of this desk mat. So there are very different color options that you can choose from. I think there's 9 flavors of boba, like they say on their website, that you can choose from, and they all look very nice, but just keep in mind that some of them won't actually look like the renders according to people that have them. Now, just because this one is sold out doesn't mean you can't go and check out their other desk mats that they have available, because those are also very nice and very high quality, just like mine. They have a variety of desk mats that have very different designs that maybe you might be interested in other than the one I have here. So be sure to check them out in the description below. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about desk mats in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.